two 15mm pieces of steel square tube. Just drill 2 holes there, 2 holes there, one there so you can screw a foot up through. And on the top just weld a bit of steel tube and cut it open on one end. That makes the foot. Now then, a butterfly nut on the top to squash your spring, which somebody threw away, and a stationary piece of studding in the back, so when you do that nut up it squashes there and that will squeeze the spring on the valve. Dead simple, made in under an hour, all out of bits that people have thrown away. Simple. Let's give it a go. First of all, put your clamp in your vise. I'll say I've never done this yet, so this is all the trial. But yeah, foot on the bottom of the valve, that bit of pipe locates there. We'll start doing it up. Hopefully this is where you find out whether your welding's any good. And there she blows, lo and behold. You can just see the collets coming loose. I've clamped that right down. Just going to use these tongs. There's one of the collets, and I'll probably just do it from the other side again to lift the other one out. So I just undo that one. As I say, never done it before, so there we go. That is coming off with the collet still inside, so yep, that has worked. Keep your finger on the bottom of the valve as you're doing this, otherwise it's not likely to get bent, but it will probably fall on the floor. Well, there you go. Nice little clamp, that.